Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Here's my first video and it's all about basic makeup which every woman should know. I've not used foundation as summers are going on, so just simply commence with moisturizer and concealer. Here I have taken Lakmé Peach Milk Moisturizer and we use it by making dots on the skin, covering each area of the face and including neck also. Neck is very important, don't forget this, and gently rub to apply it on the face so that my skin get moisturized first. Then I have used Oriflame the one concealer and apply them under eye area, in inner corner and outer corner, in upward direction of nose, at the sides of nose, lips and forehead. If you feel like you should apply, then just blend it with the beauty blender, which should be soaked with water, and gently and carefully so that there should not any spot of concealer left behind on your face, so that your face look oily and patched. So just be careful. You have to just make merge the concealer with your skin, so just take a proper care that how you merge it. Then I have taken a color box face powder and applied all over my face, under eyes, the sides of nose, lips, and don't forget your neck again. You have to apply every product on your neck. Just check it properly, just apply it properly, merge it proper. Then I have used Swiss Beauty Glow Baked Blusher Palette. It's my favorite blusher palette, and apply blusher as per requirement in upward direction only. Don't forget to smile while applying it. Just check it. Now I have used Huda Beauty Eye kajal. It's very smooth and smudge proof. Just roll into your eyes and it's look beautiful. Just be careful. Just make sure that you use kajal with care, as I'm wearing lenses, so it's a bit difficult, but it's easy for me. Just check it. Then I have used Lakmé eyeliner as a mascara, though generally I don't like mascaras personally, but after using this my lashes got so perfect, so I just changed my opinion now and just applied it to lashes. You can see that your lashes are looking gorgeous, and apply gently with care only. It's perfect. Just look. Then I have used Hilary Rhoda eyebrow pencil and eyebrow brush. It's very nice. Actually my sister gifted me this and this is awesome. I just love this. Firstly, just comb your eyebrows with brush, then just fill and shape your eyebrows perfectly with eyebrow pencil. Just see that your shape must the shape you are giving to your eyebrows must be appropriate, and like not you should look normal, like not it should not be so more or so less, normal, perfect. So now then again just comb your eyebrows and give proper shape with the help of eyebrow brusher. Then I have used Lakmé eyeliner. Lakmé is such a good company. Let me open this. Wait. Yeah. Precisely apply the eyeliner. Don't be stressed. Don't be unconfident while some people just shiver, their hands keep on shivering that yaar eyeliner laga rahe, kaise lagega. Just be confident, no issues, and just make a proper wing, just without any stress. Just fill it up with full confidence, make proper wing and just give a proper shape to your wing. Just look how I am giving, and the same. This is a tutorial for your eyeliner also. So do similar with the other eye also, and you can just see the perfection how I am applying the eyeliner here, and see it's done. Yeah, it's again I have used Swiss Beauty Glow Baked Blusher palette for highlight. So apply required highlighter only on your cheekbone, nose and upper lip, just to highlight these areas perfectly for main attention. Basically just smile, Then I have used Hilary Rhoda 5-in-1 lipstick, and this is my favorite lipstick, nude beaver shade of brown, and this is also gifted by my sister, and I love this. Just see how I am applying bit. I don't want it to get over. I just love this shade, oh my god. Then I have used Huda Beauty 2-in-1 lip gloss and cover. It's very nice and one of my favorite tawny brown shade. It's long lasting, it's fabulous. My mom gifted me on my birthday. It's just awesome. I love its glowy effect and it's shiny. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Let me see myself. Oh, beauty. Then I would like to add one last step to my makeup. I have used MAC Makeup Fixer spray. Keep it distant, close your eyes, give 2 or 3 sprays and let it dry with the help of your hands, and just dry it, and done. Finally, that is your basic makeup look. Thank you for watching. Hope you all like it. Bye bye.